In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn BAT with Brave Rewards. Download, setup, and cash out. First, let's get Brave on your device. Head to the official Brave website or your device's app store and download the browser. Install it just like any other browser, then open it up. A quick tip: if you're on desktop, you can import bookmarks and passwords from your old browser during setup to make the switch smoother. Next, enable Brave Rewards. Look for the small BAT icon in the address bar. On desktop, it's usually a triangle. Click it and follow the on-screen prompts to turn on rewards. Brave will walk you through basic onboarding so you understand how ads work and how BAT, the basic attention token, is earned. Everything is privacy first. Ads arrive as system notifications and don't track you across sites. Now connect a wallet. You have two general choices. A custodial wallet, such as those provided by certain exchanges, is convenient and often the easiest path to cash out to a bank later, but you may be asked to verify your identity and comply with regional requirements. A self-custody wallet gives you direct control of your funds and recovery phrase, but you'll be responsible for your own security and transfers. Link the option that suits you best by following the prompts in Brave Rewards. If your region has limits, Brave will let you know right in the interface. With setup done, it's time to earn BAT. Opt into Brave's private ads, which show up as small, periodic notifications while you browse. View them at your own pace to accumulate BAT. If you aren't seeing any, make sure notifications are allowed for Brave in your device settings and that you're actively using the browser. When you've built up a balance, decide whether to cash out or hold. To cash out, move your BAT from Brave Rewards to your connected wallet, then withdraw from that wallet to your linked bank account, following the steps that wallet provides. Keep in mind there may be transfer minimums, fees, and processing times. If you prefer to hold, you can leave your BAT in your wallet and track its market value over time. Remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so only hold what you're comfortable with. That's the full journey. Download Brave, enable rewards, connect your wallet, earn by viewing private ads, and either cash out or hold your BAT. Pause and replay as needed, and you'll be set up in minutes.